Hi guys, so today I will currently not be making videos because the temperature is very low and I'm going to get sick. I know the sun is shining, but then where I am it's very cold. There's a winter debris. So apparently I won't be able to make videos. I have currently 5 blankets on top of me. That one's at the back. And there's this one that I'm raising. This one too. It's covering me up instead of this one. So I'm gonna wear my pajamas because this is making me cold. I'm just gonna wear a nightgown. But then I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep posting drafts until this weather degree is over.